As a property owner or manager, you know how complex and time-consuming it can be to manage multiple properties and tenants. That's why property management software can be a complete game changer for your business. It can help you automate processes, collect rent more easily, and provide you with valuable insights that can help you make better decisions. In this video, we'll dive into the key features and benefits of both Cozy, Rentredi, and Doorloop. We'll discuss their user interfaces, pricing plans, and how they can help you manage your properties more efficiently. By the end of the video, you'll have a better understanding of which option might be the best fit for you and your portfolio. So whether you're a seasoned property manager or just starting out, sit back and let's explore the world of property management software together. Cozy was a property management solution with a variety of features, offering a free plan with a limited feature set and higher tier paid plans for premium features. Cozy was a decent starting point for those new to property management software. Its free plan was highly limited in terms of features, to the point where users reported often still having to use a combination of tools such as Excel and QuickBooks to manage their portfolio. However, it made for a good jumping off point to something more comprehensive down the line. The only problem is Cozy closed its doors late in 2018 when it was purchased by Apartments.com owner CoStar. Worse, plans to integrate the software's features into the Apartments.com ecosystem never came to fruition, so Cozy users were left out to dry. Fortunately, there are now some amazing alternatives which offer the same or even a better set of features at a competitive price compared to Cozy. Let's break down some of the best alternatives now, then we'll do a comparison between one of those and Rentredi to help you find the best option for you. 4 great Cozy alternatives. Number 1, Doorloop. Doorloop is an all-in-one property management solution designed to make your managing your portfolio a breeze from anywhere. If you're looking for property management software with all the same features as Cozy, as well as user-reported stellar customer service and usability, then look no further. You can go with Doorloop's complete suite of accounting features to manage all your property accounting, or use its convenient QuickBooks online integration that takes just minutes to set up. Not to mention the UI is lightning fast and everything is easy to find. As a quick disclaimer, I do work for Doorloop. However, check out how helpful these features will be for your business. Doorloop features. Make collecting rent easier than ever with the convenient tenant portal and streamlined communication tools. Take advantage of a full suite of accounting features, including multiple payment options, full chart of accounts, bank reconciliations, QuickBooks online integration, and more marketing tools such as automatic listings and a beautiful IDX-based website. Leasing tools such as e-leasing and tenant screening. Convenient smartphone application you can use from anywhere. And so much more. Doorloop pricing. Doorloop's basic tier plan is just $49 per month for up to 20 units. If you're interested, schedule a free demo today to see what Doorloop can do for you. Number 2, Landlordy. They offer both an iOS and Android app. Landlordy features include online rent payments, basic messaging features, iOS and Android mobile app. Landlordy pricing. Landlordy has a 100% free version with limited features. For $14.99, you can upgrade to get access to few additional accounting features as well as data backup. Number 3, Tenant Cloud. They offer a free plan that has limited features, though it offers more than Landlordy for up to 75 units, along with the ability to pay up to higher tiers to get to some premium property management features. Tenant Cloud features include online rent payments, vendor payments, payment tracking, and maintenance management. Tenant Cloud pricing. Tenant Cloud's basic tier is free up to 75 units, though includes a limited number of features, only slightly larger than Landlordy. For $12 and $40 respectively, you can adopt one of their paid plans to get additional features, though you'll need to upgrade to the $40 plan if you want some of the premium features. Number 4, Avail. Avail is more similar to Rentredi in that it offers a comprehensive set of features, though you can get started with their limited free plan. Avail's UI is notable for being easy to navigate. Avail features include online rent payments, maintenance management, tenant screening. Avail pricing. Avail has a limited free plan for an unlimited number of units. However, you'll need to upgrade to their Unlimited Plus plan to get access to many premium features at $5 per unit per month. Rentredi versus Doorloop. Now, let's take a look at a proper comparison. Cozy may no longer be around, but arguably better options exist that can do the same things. So let's compare Doorloop with our original contender, Rentredi, to see how well they stack up. We'll compare them based on a few major areas such as features, pricing, customer service, and ease of use. Let's start with features. Rentredi versus Doorloop. Features. In terms of features, they offer a similar feature set. Let's break down each separately. Doorloop offers everything you need to manage your entire portfolio while making rent easier to collect than ever, as well as being incredibly easy to use. We covered many of Doorloop's features earlier, but additional features include convenient owner portal where you can print checks and run key reports to keep your owners happy and informed. Automatic rent payments and a powerful dashboard for tenants that makes it easy for you to send payment reminders and for them to take care of their rent and any other monthly responsibilities quickly and easily. Streamline tenant communications into one place, including SMS messaging, all from the app, and so much more. Rentredi offers a comprehensive set of features similar to Doorloop. You'll get access to e-leasing, maintenance management, rent tracking, tenant portal, a late fee calculator, and more. However, there are a few key features they're lacking, including no QuickBooks Online Sync. You can only export your tenant payments and import them into QuickBooks manually. You have to pay more for accounting. REI Hub accounting plan starts at $15 a month extra for up to 3 units. Rentredi versus Doorloop pricing. Pricing is always a big deal, as it should be. However, this is where our options differ the most. Let's take a look. With Doorloop, you can get access to its large feature set for just $49 a month for up to 20 units. With Rentredi, you can get started for $9 per month paid annually. However, that does come without accounting and no QuickBooks Online Sync. That also comes without live support, billing and invoicing, commercial property management tools, maintenance management, and some other features you can expect from Doorloop's basic pricing tier. Rentredi versus Doorloop ease of use. In terms of ease of use, both options deliver. With Doorloop, users report across the board that the tool is incredibly fast, easy to navigate, and simple to use. Customer service is also very easy to contact, so finding solutions to potential issues is pretty easy. With Rentredi, users report the software is generally easy to use. With that being said, here is Rentredi versus Doorloop customer service. Keep in mind that throughout this guide, we've compared user reviews from review sites such as Capterra.com and G2.com. With Doorloop, users report that getting started couldn't be easier, made due in part to the fact that customer service makes itself available whenever you need it. In fact, you can get access to live support from real Doorloop representatives who are people and not robots. So that's it for today's video on property management software. We hope that you found this comparison for Cozy, Rentredi, and Doorloop helpful in making your decision. So if you're ready to take your property management game to the next level, be sure to head over to doorloop.com to learn more and start your free trial today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and insights on real estate and property management. We'll see you in the next one.